I'm Jeri Webb.
I'm Mark Webb.
And we've lived here for 9 years. In almost 100 years. The house was built in 1927, and I don't think anybody ever did anything with
Yeah,
them.
I'm really surprised that strong wind didn't cause pieces of glass to fall out.
Right. There were cracks, there were some panes that were just missing altogether, and then the wood framing was really a mess. And thanks to Chicago Bungalow Association, we looked on your trusted resources page and found Solstice stained glass. Emily, who's the owner, came out. She works with a couple of different carpentry companies that specialize in doing windows.
We didn't really know what we're doing or what needed to be done,
Yeah.
so she was great guiding us through the project, describing everything.
And we chose the Vintage Windows is the name of the company, and Placido's the owner, and he came out and just was very detailed about what he would do and all of that sort of stuff. It was just a fabulous experience.
Yeah, and seamless all the way from beginning to end.
And everybody who walks by, it's just like, oh my God, look at those windows, they're so fabulous.
Yeah, I'm so happy we did this. I mean, the easy thing would have been to replace them, but I'm so glad that we had them restored.
Yeah.